When you have an opportunity to become an individuated and integrated expression of the divine logos, the whole and the holy, you have the same opportunity or capacity to degrade or fragment or degenerate. It's really in our mastery of this life impulse and this degenerative impulse where we find the ability to actually embody the divine. Because you're constantly bumping up against all sorts of things here that are not expressing, true harmony and wholeness. So we all have that capacity within us to degrade, and we have that capacity to become more whole and more coherent. There's a real responsibility once we really understand what these impulses are, that it's really our job to nurture life within ourselves and around us, in our relationships, and to this earth, to everything. Once we get that, we really start to take that responsibility seriously, and we see where that capacity of degradation or fragmentation exists within us, and we keep choosing to go towards life. But to be gifted an opportunity to truly embody and become a divine vessel of wholeness and of love, we're given and we have the same capacity and opportunity to do the opposite. So moment by moment, we just got to keep choosing life.